In my previous video, you saw I installed and configured this node on VirtualBox. Also connect this node using an host only interface with this IP address. And here is my virtual machine which I will use in my laboratory, and install Kubernetes services like kubeproxy on my worker node. As you can see here, this is kubeproxy services, kubelet, kube API, kubescheduler, etcd on my master node. But before installing and configuring these services on my master node and worker node, there are some requirements to do in all hosts. This requirement is something like turn off the swap memory, load these modules. Also, this module is required to run container on host, and at the end I will verify this configuration. You can use Ansible to do this configuration, but I will do it manually because it makes more clear for you. And in next step, I will continue installing containerd on all hosts. Okay, here, as you can see, here I have some configuration like cat. This is the pre-required file. I copied all this configuration and put this in a file. You can copy and paste this configuration to host, but I have also another bash script file which log into all hosts and run this configuration in this host. As you can see here, I have this configuration, and I set to this script is going through all hosts. For example, for host in host SSH to host and do the first parameter after this script. For example, I have another file here which is host name, and here I run just only host name. And if I set to my host run this script, it will give me host name. And if I pass this configuration to host, it will do all configuration to all hosts. Okay, all hosts run this configuration, and after that I will verify the configuration. As you can see here, verify is just look at the configuration to see was it successful or not. Okay, as you can see here, my configuration was successful in all hosts.